Adobe as a company and as a product have been such a resourceful powerhouse in the creative industry. We sure can't get enough of them. But here are 10 Adobe software alternatives you should check out. From photo editing to video production, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. GIMP Alternative to Photoshop. First up, we have GIMP. This professional quality, cross-platform image editor is packed with tons of features to help you unleash your creativity. Work with layers, apply filters, and utilize numerous drawing tools, all without spending a dime. Number 2. Photopea, another alternative to Photoshop. For a layout closer to Photoshop, check out Photopea, an online image editor that works right in your web browser, and yes, it's 100% free. Number 3. Inkscape Alternative to Illustrator. Designers, meet Inkscape. Create illustrations, logos, charts, and more with this vector graphics editor. It's 100% compliant with the SVG file format, ensuring your artwork stays pristine at any scale. Number 4. DaVinci Resolve Alternative to Premiere Pro. Looking to edit videos like a pro? DaVinci Resolve has got you covered. With advanced trimming, multicam editing, and powerful audio tools, it's the ideal choice for filmmakers and content creators. Number 5. Shotcut, another alternative to Premiere Pro. For beginners, Shotcut offers an easier learning curve while still providing plenty of features for video editing. Plus, it's completely free. Number 6. Raw Therapy Alternative to Lightroom. Photographers, meet Raw Therapy. Edit raw image files and many other formats without compromising the original quality. It's an excellent tool for non-destructive editing. Number 7. Darktable, another alternative to Lightroom. Another option is Darktable, another free alternative that supports raw files and offers non-destructive editing for your precious images. Number 8. Blender Alternative to After Effects. When it comes to creating stunning visual effects and motion graphics, Blender is a top-notch choice. It's an all-in-one production suite with 3D animation capabilities and a user-friendly video editor. Number 9. Audacity Alternative to Adobe Audition. Record and mix audio with Audacity, a popular choice for podcasts and post-production work. It's open source, feature-rich, and supports various audio formats. Number 10. Foxit PDF Reader Partial Alternative to Adobe Acrobat. While there's no direct free alternative to Adobe Acrobat, Foxit PDF Reader offers essential features for viewing, filling forms, annotating, and signing PDF documents. For desktop publishing and page layout designing, consider Scribus, an excellent free alternative to Adobe InDesign. And for quick and easy photo and video editing, Canva is a web-based solution with thousands of pre-designed templates to kickstart your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let us know in the comments if you have any other great free software or web apps you use as alternatives to Adobe products. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.